Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to a new video for the channel. On this occasion, we are going to make an unboxing video of this new KOSPET watch, the KOSPET Tank M4, a super resistant smartwatch with multiple certifications. But that's not all. I will also show you some accessories that the guys from KOSPET sent me to complement this great smartwatch. A pair of leather straps so we can customize our M4 tank. We have two colors, one black and one brown. Here we also have this accessory called Power Pocket for M4, which is basically a power bank for our KOSPET Tank M4. Let's start with the unboxing of the KOSPET Tank M4, which, as I mentioned before, this smartwatch is super resistant with military certifications. On the back, we can already see some of the main features of this smartwatch, which I will mention in more detail later. Upon opening the package, we are greeted by the phrase, "Trust Anchored Horizons Ignited," the phrase with which KOSPET distributes its devices. Then we find a box, where inside it comes the base to charge the KOSPET Tank M4, the USB cable, a screen protector, and the manuals to be able to take full advantage of our smartwatch. Moving on to the interesting stuff, we finally have the KOSPET Tank M4. That when you hold it in your hand, you feel that it is well built. It feels like a resistant smartwatch. The construction materials can be felt to be of great quality. Every part feels very good. It feels very robust, durable, but at the same time elegant. The assembly of each piece feels well done. The buttons don't have any wobbles or anything like that. It just feels great in the hands. The strap that comes is made of silicone. It is resistant, but if you want something more elegant, you can opt for any of these other two straps, the black one or the brown one. But for that, we are going to see what the straps are like, to give you an idea of which one is ideal for you. And the first one we have here is the black strap. Simply amazing. This leather strap feels very good. The touch is very good. Now, here we have the brown strap, which is personally my favorite. The color is very pretty, and it is very elegant. But tell me in the comments which is your favorite, the black or the brown, or maybe you like the one that comes by default better. Now, we move on to the Power Pocket for M4, which, as I mentioned, is basically a power bank for the KOSPET Tank M4. This accessory will undoubtedly be useful for those people who like to be far from civilization. In this box comes the charging base. The color is somewhat striking, a fluorescent orange color. Also the USB cable for charging, and a small strap to turn it into a keychain and take it everywhere. And something I forgot to mention is that this power bank has a capacity of 850 milliamps, more than enough. To begin, once we turn on the smartwatch, we'll have to configure it. The first thing is to choose the language. Here, you can find practically any language. Later, we will have to install the application to be able to get the most out of the M4 tank. Simply scan the QR code and it will direct us to download the application. Once we download the application, we have to register with a few simple steps. Nothing to worry about, easy and fast. After registration, you can enjoy the KOSPET Tank M4. Let's start with the features of this smartwatch. The stainless steel construction. 1.96 AMOLED display with automatic brightness. IP69K water resistance. 500 mAh battery, up to 15 days of battery life. 23 sport modes, and 160 freestyle training modes. We can measure heart rate, blood oxygen, stress level, and mood. Now, let's talk about the Tank M4's main feature. Its offline navigation function. This is one of the key improvements of this generation. An important feature for adventure lovers. Plan and navigate your own route with the KOSPET Tank M4. To have your route with you at all times, simply import GPX or KML route files using the Apex Move application. Or download offline maps online. using your computer or tablet, and many more features that I will tell you in more detail in another video. And to conclude the video, let me tell you that this KOSPET Tank M4 is a widely recommended smartwatch. It is a very complete device, as you have already seen. And also remember that if you are interested in purchasing this new KOSPET Tank M4, I will leave you the purchase link in the video description. And for my part, that's all in this video. Thanks for being here, and see you until next time. Goodbye.